पेट्रोल डीजल की बढ़ती कीमतों के खिलाफ अपोजिशन ने राज्य सभा में हंगामा किया। अपोजिशन ने वक्फे सिफर को मुअत्तल करने का मुतालबा किया, जिसकी वजह से ऐवान की कार्रवाई में रखना पड़ा और ऐवान की कार्रवाई मुअत्तल करनी पड़ी।
Because you have given a notice, I have allowed you to mention the subject.
21 lakh excise duty.
Okay, Kharge ji.
Now the petrol prices nearly 100 rupees per litre, and the diesel prices are more than 80 rupees. And LPG also increased, and all the petroleum products have gone up, and nearly 820% of petrol, 820% petrol, and around 258% excise duty after 214, and nearly 1,21,000 crores.
Right. We are not discussing in
Sir,
issue.
sorry.
You have, because you have given a notice, I have allowed you to mention the subject.
21 lakh crores.
Right.
Sir, 21 lakh crores have been collected by putting excess excise duty.
Okay, Kharge ji.
And all these things.
I have
And
allowed
because
you.
of this, sir, because of this, the entire country is suffering.
Right.